Jennifer again. We got some more China unboxing stuff here. So let's start with this one. My husband opened it up. He can handle it. I thought there was more than this, but my son had ordered some things from Japan. So this looks like broccoli, but I think it's a mermaid tail. But it could be broccoli too, or mushrooms. I don't know. It doesn't look as cute as I thought it did in the picture. Okay, next one. Oh, I got some more of the PVA. So this is for the soap pods. So we've got lots of this. I didn't realize I bought so much. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of that. I'm going to be doing a whole bunch of different flavors, fragrances, and put them in little jars at the market, public market in Victoria. And then you can just pick the ones you want and I'll sort it for you. That'll be awesome. Okay, here's another one. I don't know where it's from. Okay. Oh, all right. So my beauty care line is coming out. We're going to launch it with some awesome face masks. And these are little tiny, here, I'll show you what they look like. They're really, really neat. You'll get a couple of these and a mask. And what you do is you'll get it wet with whatever type of skin you have. So it's different things for different skin types. And then apply the mask, apply the paste to your face. And then when you're done, you just take it off and rinse your face. And it's not quite as messy, which is a really, really fun concept that I haven't seen done before. So hopefully it'll be awesome. I know, I love it. I bought a few of those masks from Asia, and they're really, really cool. They come like filled, so it's like a single-use thing. All right, so I've been making soap cakes. So I ordered some fun shapes of soap cakes. So of course I'll be either doing a melt and pour cake with this one, which might be kind of fun. Sent me a little bracelet. Now this, I don't normally see this. I am very happy about. We'll talk about customer service. All for home. Gives you a little bracelet. So I'll give this to one of my daughters. Thank you for your order in our Amazon store. It's Amazon has great customer service. Yeah, this is great. So this, I guess, came via China, Amazon. That's going to make a nice little soap cake. So the sunflowers, this will be in the summer line on the cake plates. Let me show you the cake I'm working on right now. I haven't started decorating it, but I'm really happy about all the cracks and stuff because we're making a sakura cherry blossom. All right, so here is my cake as it came out of the mold. Show you that, and see all those little lines and stuff? That's okay. I'm going to use those random lines and stuff to create the bark for my tree. The bark for the tree, so it's going to be brown. And the brown you see on here is actually a mica line that I created just below the second layer. So this has got pink center, a couple of different colors of pink and white inside. And so hopefully I can figure out how to slice a soap cake this heart shape. So if you have any ideas on the proper way to cut one of these for making slices of soap, I thought yeah, so that it's nice when they get it. I'm gonna kind of wait until I figured that out before I decorate it. That way each slice will still look pretty. Either that or I can decorate them afterwards, but I kind of want it to look like a cake. So it's kind of got to go back together because it'll be on this pedestal on my table, which is going to be fun. I'm so excited. Easter weekend is going to be there. So if you want to catch some of my new products, head on over to the Victoria Public Market and you can see me in my retail glory. So we'll see you soon next time. This is Jennifer from Jentle Soaps, and thanks for coming to the Jen Spice channel and having a look at our China unboxing. Well, Asia unboxing. All right. Seriously, anybody knows what this is? Put it in the comments below. Bye for now.